Hello, my name is Atticus and I'm making toast with peanut butter and jam. And here's my assistant Freya. Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Here's the ingredients we need. Bread, butter, jam, and peanut butter. Here is the toaster and we use it to toast the bread. And that's science. That's not eating! Eating toast! Let it toast! Let it toast! Can't hold the bread anymore! First you spread the butter. Then you get the peanut butter. Then you get the jam. Have you heard of this phenomenon? Bread sweat. Bread sweat. Some people have a phobia of it.
What are you afraid of?
Bread sweat.
Oh, yeah! Sweat.
Is this how you make peanut butter and jam toast? How would you like it cut, Freya? Triangles! Okay. I will cut the bread. I have cutted the bread. Jam. It tastes yummy and weird. Good.
Hey, I know what'll cheer you up.
Nah, I don't think I'm in the mood.
Are you sure? It's peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time!
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Now there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Sorry, Brian. It's just not doing it today.
Do the peanut butter jelly! Peanut butter jelly! Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat!